Everybody, Sharon here. I am back with another photo album, and this one I love. It is so cute. So, to just jump right into it, there's a lot of sparkles in here. So, these flowers are from Wild Orchid Crafts, and I stickled them. I have a bead spray. I don't remember where I got it. This I got from a seller on eBay. This is some bling stuff that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm always in the market for good stuff. This is a skeleton leaf that I got off of Amazon, and they're huge. And I love the transition colors. It was perfect for this album. And here's some more of these. This trim, the satin box pleated trim I got from a gal on Etsy. It is called Sugar Pink Boutique. She has some nice stuff on there. And then I just stickled this. I also got this little skeleton leaf on Amazon as well. Stickles here. And here's some stickers that came with the collection. Collection's name is Me, My Big Idea, or Ideas, or whatever that's called. And it's the baby girl, as you can see. And yeah, so I used everything from it. So not much left over. And here is the spine. And here's the back. So okay, before I open it, things I used in this album was Beacon Fabri-Tac. I used this to glue all my laces on and my flowers. Of course, this art glitter glue. There is no glitter in the glue. This stuff is really strong. I also have this tip. And these pins right here do not rust. And there we go, back inside. Okay, tapes I used. I usually did this, but on certain things I use score tape. This one is a 1/4 inch. I used a 1/2 inch of this stuff I got off of Amazon. I don't know. It's double-sided adhesive and it works pretty good. And here's the inch. Love this stuff. And of course my 2 inch for the putting the book together. The edges. I would be here for a long time if I had to use the smaller stuff, so this saves a lot of time. Okay, now we're going into it. Put it all off to the side. Okay. Yay. Okay. So I have some more. I finished up my bling on a roll and then also used this stuff from the Dollar Tree. Some more trim, more stickles. This is a sticker from the collection. And this lace right here, that trim, oh, where did I get it? I can't remember. Maybe Sugar Pink Boutique. Either that or some gal off of Etsy. Another one, so I can't remember. So this one opens, and You Are Our Greatest Adventure. I thought that was really cute. Opens up to all this paper with little tiny baby, footprints. Love it. And there is some sparkles up here. And this right up here. This I fussy cut out and glued there at the top. This was also fussy cut out. Okay, first page. I fussy cut this out and really stickled it really good. This I had in my stash. Opens up gatefold. This, you can journal or put some photos on here, whatever you want to do. And I put 2 photo mats here and 2 photo mats here. Now I left these blank, this right here, for a reason, and I will show you that in a moment. Here is an extra large tag to put photos, stories, anything you want. Okay, and then here I have some extra things that came with the collection that I thought you could write on and put wherever you want throughout the book. There's this, and 1 month, 3, 6, and 9.
I'm so sorry, Mama.
Oh, you're fine, honey. Okay, and then I have here a couple large tags. So blank on the back for photos. And so this is a giant pocket, and you can also put a picture here, journal about it here if you'd like. Okay, then I have here a couple more. And just okay, and here I have here an extra large photo map, and I cut this out, and more stickles, and this lifts up a little bit so you can put a photo behind it. Okay, and this, whoa, opens up for a whole nother stuff. Okay, so more bling, an extra large diamond stuff there. I don't know, but I liked it. And some lace I had in my stash, and a tag. Pardon me. Some places for photos. And here I put this extra large. And here I have some stickers. I did use the one baby bottle here on something, but I didn't know where else to put this, and I figured, you know what, when somebody buys this, this will be included so that you can add where you want to, but these are all stickers that came with the collection. I thought they should stay with the collection. Okay, and here I have an extra large photo map, and it just tucks back there. Oh, wrong way. And here I have some more of that trim, and feel free for stickers or whatever you want. An extra large photo map. And then on this side, your pocket. So some photos here and here, more stickers, whatever you want to do. A side one. All these are blank. Oh, teeny tiny date. So yeah. And here is a shabby rosette. And threw some stickles on it with a diamond center. And open it up. And I put a bow up here. And I just kind of left this blank so you can do what you want with it. Here I have 3 more photo mats. And another one of those lovely skeleton leaves. A chipboard element. And this is up like that. Like that. And that flips up. So lots of room for photos right there. Let's see. There. And here. So another one of those. And that one lifts up for that. And here's another skeleton leaf that I stickled with a little flower that I have in my stash. Another one of those. Some more trim. I can't remember where I got this. But yeah, all this lace in here. Yep. I love it. Another. So, and this one, I thought was pretty cool. So this one opens up and down and up. And open up. Make it. So you have a lot of room for pictures in just that tiny thing. I love this. And this I got either, I can't remember. My brain sometimes gives out on me, especially on camera. And here is the waterfall. And definitely stickles around that. Another pull out. Each one of these pages has a pull out, so. And then some more of this. And like a little like book type thing, magnet. And then here, I love this one. It ties. And here I have this. An extra large photo mat or whatever story. This is your book. You do what you want with it. I have here some more little bows that I tied. Oops. Put them on there. Extra large photo mat. And then here is some, it's acetate, but it's not clear, of course. More cloudy type, I don't know. You can still see through it, but it's pretty. Visitors. 2 large photo mats. That's a nice pocket. And it just ties up like this. Just like that. And this, I think, is seam binding crinkled up. Another pull out. And then I have this. It flips out. Trivial photo mat. Another fussy cut I did. Out like that. And up. Up. And like that. And here's another skeleton leaf with 3 little Swarovski crystals. But yeah, that is a lot. That there. And a little chipboard element there. More stickles. And this bling. And you can do what you want back here. A nice giant photo of anything you want, or nice sentiment, whatever you want. Awesome. And there's the end. So, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to, leave a nice comment. And as always, happy crafting. Later.